Hey, welcome back to Me, Much Got the Lights. So tonight we have some shrimp and pizza. And we got my daughter here with me tonight. Hey. Let's go in. I'm so hungry.
My name's Anna, by the way.
I said my daughter Anna.
You said my daughter. You didn't say Anna. You didn't say Anna.
All right.
Second.
This is my sauce. I'm going to tell you what it is in a second. Apricot. My apricot sauce with sriracha. That was good.
Eat the pizza first.
Okay. It's so good. You have to see. Look at that. Amazing. So these shrimp, I'm going to tell you a story about these shrimp. I am a home health aide. I love taking care of people and everything. What I love to do. I had this gentleman. His name is Bruce. We talked about everything, and I always told him that I wanted to have my own food truck. He said, well, when you open your food truck, this is what you need to put on there, is these shrimp. So I can't tell you everything that's inside of it, but I'm going to go and tell you just a little bit. But if I tell you everything, then you're going to go ahead and make it yourself when you got to buy it from me. So good. How's the pizza?
Good.
So, I have 5 kids. My oldest is 21. Her name is Belinda. Hey, mama, love you. And we got Angel, who's 19. That's my buddy. Waiting for that phone call. Oh, yeah. We got Anna, who was 17. Then we got the funny bunny, who is Stefan.
Who's sleeping right now?
Yes. He would be so upset that he's not in this video.
Very.
Because he said this to me. Oh my God. He was like, Mom, you have a channel? And I was like, yeah. He said, oh, I'm going to be famous. I'm like, what? How are you going to be famous? He said, by your good food and me being hilarious when I could be on. I'm like, what? Boy off the hook. You will meet him soon. And then we got the youngest. Alexander. About to be 7 months. Amazing little kid. I love them all. That's what's about me. Who I am a little bit. Look, these shrimp are so good. We haven't had this in a minute. This was perfect. Pizza. So what happened lately with you in school? Tell the people. Tell the people.
See, I got the highest grade point average in biology.
That's right.
Which is very good. Got my certificate today.
Yes. Proud mom. Posted it. You know, that's what we do. Pizza is so good. It is DiGiorno, yes. That's what we eat in this house. We do buy from different places, but DiGiorno is what it is. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. We need a new napkin. Napkins, we need a new napkins.
When do people have napkins in these videos?
They do.
No. They're too busy talking crap.
Oh, yeah. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Look at this pizza. That's the DiGiorno. I put my hand this way. The pizza is falling off, but I don't care. You see it. You see it. You see it. So in my sauce, we got apricots.
I thought you were
Right?
going to tell them what was inside of it.
It's not everything.
Oh.
I just told them apricots, hot sauce, which is sriracha. And that's it. I ain't telling them nothing else. 3 things I told them. That's it.
Too much information.
And my husband right there. Welcome by. Is that? Are we gonna eat all of it? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
He always want to challenge me in something. But that way I go faster and I be going in my head too much.
You didn't need to do that with that. No.
That's like John Cena. I can't see you.
Okay.
It is. He be like, I can't see you.
I know. I know. I watched MMA every Monday because of Angel when we were younger. I know.
You should tell them, or I should tell them about the story when you hit Angel's toys.
Oh, you can tell them that story.
She was like about, what,
I think
10?
I was like, yeah. Yeah, 10. Yeah.
Her brother Angel would mess with her all the time.
Every day, every second. But now he's more chill, like he doesn't really do anything now.
Right. So she took hot, spicy, very spicy. The sauce is really spicy.
It's more spicy than I remember before.
Right. And I think because I was putting some in
a little bit too much.
Right.
You were
I
worried
was
about
like,
the pizza. Yeah, I remember. She said something. Oh, the pizza. Yeah, I remember.
I'm like sweating, like why I'm sweating? That's because it's hot from this.
That's why I've been taking my time on this nice cold pizza.
Oh my god. Let me have a drink. Wait. Okay, so she took his toys, his favorite wrestlers, and hid it in the back of where we lived at and made where we lived at.
I dug it
She
inside.
took all the like
The
bricks
grass.
and everything out, and she put the toys in there and covered it all up. So Okay, we went to Anna. We said, Anna, what did you do with his toys? We know you did something. She's like, no, I didn't do nothing. I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't touch nothing. What are you saying? So we like, okay. Now months later Easter came, and we're like, why is Angels Wrestlers in here? Dug in when we're trying to hide the eggs, we find the wrestlers. Why? I go to Anna and I'm like, why did you do this? I don't understand. Like, why did you hit it? And then you told us no. She says, he always messes with me. That's what he get. That's what he get. That's what he get. I'm like, yo, that's crazy. Months went by. So let me tell you something. If you cross this one right here, she waits and wait patiently, and then she gets you.
You want to know something? Like, okay. I've been waiting years to tell you this because I know I would get in trouble when I was younger, but now it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter because Angel's doesn't live in the house. Okay, so remember, and this is one thing you have to apologize to Angel about, because you always said that he was lying about it.
Oh my God, I'm done with you right now.
You know how he used to say that I would fake cry, and you thought that was for real? I was actually fake crying. I'm so serious.
A mess.
I'm so serious.
I apologize, my son. Yes, I will see you and I will apologize to you. I apologize. You are
like, no, like, remember that one time? Remember that one, like, couch that we had where only one person could sit on it? So remember when I was sitting on the one, on top of it, like, on this part?
Yeah.
And remember... So remember when you guys came downstairs because I was crying and you thought Angel pushed me off of it? He wouldn't let me watch TV that day because he was playing his game. So I sat on the floor and started crying like he pushed me, and I stomped on the floor so that it made it seem like he could hear it though.
A mess.
But it's okay.
You off the hook. It's not. Y'all all pick with each other. Y'all all did stuff to each other. Crazy stuff.
But the difference is that I wait and I'm smart about it. They just do it.
You heard? No, music is so well. Even though it's hot,
it's good.
It's good.
Did you eat my crust? It's okay, I wasn't gonna eat it anyway. I don't eat the crust. Comment down below if you eat the crust of a pizza. I don't eat the crust. I'm not on that team. Sorry.
I do. But I didn't eat mine today because it's kind of crunchy.
But you ate mine.
Yeah.
So how much sense does that make? Mom, you be listening to weird stuff.
I know. See, what happened was I was changing the channel. And that's it.
Yeah,
that's what came on. No, it was a good song, and then now they're giving all these corny ones.
Mom, you might offend someone.
So I'm here.
Wow. Just wow.
when we dance to it, I won't feel lying. I say,
You don't even know what they're saying.
Shut up. Yes, I do.
Oh yeah, what did she just say?
I've been moving.
Just because it slowed down. No, let me tell you, if you need a person to help you lip sync and anyone, this is not the one. This is not the one.
You guys tried this soda?
She be
Comment
mumbling
below.
and
Let me
jumbling.
know if you tried this.
You have
It's
to
so
show
good.
me. Oh, there's two.
It is. It's so good. Let us know if you tried this ginger ale. We love ginger ale in this house.
Yeah, Canada Dry.
We made about like 25 shrimp, medium shrimp. Oh, I love this shrimp.
I ate about half of them. She hasn't been eating at all.
Right. Okay. Have you see the shrimp?
And you can see that it's going inside of my mouth. And not hers.
Man.
See? Do not choose her. Yo. That's not even for the song. She doesn't say lick my toes. She doesn't say lick my toes in this. She does not say lick my toes. I don't know where you got that from. But she did not say lick my toes.
I thought that's what she said.
No.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
She knows the woes. So you can... Wait, Mom, do you know how to do the woe? Do you know how to do it?
What is the well?
I didn't even do it correctly, but we just did that.
Pass me one of those napkins.
They do the woe.
Oh.
The name.
The name?
Yeah, the Shanae name. I know you know that one. There you go, Belinda. The burps.
You love them burps. Oh god, I'm
Yeah, I
so
don't know
sweaty
why,
from all this jalapeno.
Jalapeno?
Yeah.
So did you put jalapeno in it? Is that what you... And you put hot sauce in it?
Yeah.
Maybe you put the seeds in there too, didn't you?
That's why I wanted to see what you was gonna do. But it bothers me more.
You realize that I have my dad's gene of spicy food.
Oh god.
She tried it.
I did. It didn't work.
It failed.
I was really trying to get you. And you like it.
You do not like it?
I never make it with jalapeno, guys. But I did just to trick her to see. I really tricked myself. Because my lips is burning.
You know what that sounded like?
What?
You said my lips is burning. It sounded like you said my nips are burning. If I knew how to censor that out, I would.
Alright, guys. Bye. See you later.